Hi, welcome to the lesson 11 of our HSK1 discussion class. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to ask and say your age in Chinese language. To talk about age or to talk about someone's age in Chinese language, you must know how to count from 1 to 100, at least 1 to 100. So in case you don't really know how to count from 1 to 100 in Chinese language, we've already made a video course on that. So I'll be putting the link down to my channel so that you can go there and watch the videos on how to count 1 to 100 in Chinese language. Let's get started. Now, to talk about someone's age in Chinese language, we need to know the meaning of age in Chinese language. Age means sui, sui in Chinese language. For example, 5岁, 5 years. 16岁, 16 years. 80岁, 80 years. For example, she is 5 years old. In Chinese, we say 她5岁,她5岁. I am 20 years old. In Chinese, we say 我20岁,我20岁. She is 30 years old. We say 她30岁,她30岁. Now, asking about people's age in Chinese. In Chinese, we have 3 ways to ask people what's their age in Chinese language. It only depends on who you are referring to. For example, how old are you? 你今年几岁? 你今年几岁? 今年 means this year. We've already discussed about that in our last video when we are talking about how to say dates and months and year in Chinese language. So 今年你今年几岁? How old are you this year? Or how old are you? You can remove that 今年 and ask 你几岁? 你几岁? We normally use this question to ask the age of little children from 1 to 12. Children from 1 to 12. We want to ask them what's their age or how old they are in Chinese. We simply ask 你几岁? Then, if he or she is 5 years old or 7 years old or 10 years old, he or she will simply reply with 我, meaning I, 我3岁 or 我10岁 or anything. Now, how do we ask about people above 12? The second way to ask about that is 你今年多大了? 你今年多大了? How old are you? 多大 is how big. 多大了? So we can also remove 今年 there and then say 你多大了? 你多大了? In a response, if the person is from 13 above, he can simply respond to you 我今年14岁. 我今年14岁. I'm 14 years this year. Or he or she can simply reply 我14岁. If he is 20 something above, he can simply say 我今年23岁. 我今年23岁. I'm 23 years this year. Now, the third way to ask questions with age is 你今年多大岁数? So, 你今年多大岁数? We normally use this to ask only about the older ones. So when you met an old man, you can simply ask him 你今年多大岁数? Now, look at the 3 pictures on the screen and ask questions with sui. Can you do that? on the picture, we have 3 sets of people. How do we ask questions with them? Can you try it? Let's practice together. 他今年几岁？他今年几岁？ Second one, how do we do that? 他今年多大了？他今年多大？ Then the last one, 他今年多大岁数？他今年多大岁数？ Then in response, we've already learned how to respond to that. 我今年 You say your age. It's very simple. Now, let's watch a very short video to practice what we've just learned today.
你今年多大？
我今年19岁，你今年多大？
我也19岁。请问您多大岁数？
我89岁。你今年几岁？
我4岁。
So today, we can proudly say that we've learned ways to ask and say your age in Chinese language. But we discovered that we can only say that only if we know how to count from 1 to 100 in Chinese language. That is really awesome. Please, if you are new in our channel, kindly hit on the red subscription button, turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you all next time in our next video course. Goodbye. 再见。